In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,325 in commission with Pinterest affiliate marketing just in one single month using free traffic. I made this commission in the month of August, from the first day of the month of August into the day 30 of this month. Okay, I made $17,325 just by using free traffic, promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys miss one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. This is my affiliate accounts dashboard. It's not screenshots. I can click over here. This is my dashboard. I have marketing tools, reports, payments, postbacks, sub affiliates. Even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine. This is my commissions, clicks, CTR, and so on. So for people who are interested to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So it's super easy. It will take just a few minutes. After you finish, you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here. Let me show you, and click over here on affiliate. And you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service or product you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever, okay? Because they are really paying good commissions. It's profitable. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is good and profitable, and you guys can check this website to get more information, okay? So all you have to do, just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name here, your last name, email address, username, password, account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can choose no, okay? And choose your country and choose your language. It's super easy. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. As you can see, guys, the sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and you should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on, okay? So next step is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission, and you need to choose services related to Pinterest, okay? And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commissions, and you guys can just copy and paste, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to Fiverr, okay? Go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. Go back to this homepage. Click over here on the search and search for this website. Search for this service. Search for this service. Search for Pinterest marketing. Search for this one. Pinterest marketing, like this. I want you to pay close attention in this step, okay? So let me show you. Search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing the service. So what you need to do is you need to choose good sellers who has a lot of reviews, like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, okay? Always choose good sellers because if people click on your affiliate links, they will check if those sellers has good reviews, okay? If those sellers has good feedback, if they have good reviews, then people will trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you so you can earn commissions, okay? So what you will do, let me see, let's choose this one. I will choose this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. So I will just click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, as you can see. So you guys can see it's working. People already paying for this service. It's 41 orders in queue. You guys can see it's working. People are buying those services. Which people will buy those services? People who has Pinterest account, who want to grow their Pinterest account, who want to grow their businesses on Pinterest. So it's working. You just need to promote it in the right way to earn commission, and people keep coming back. The best part, guys, you need to know this, that if people buy this service from you, if one person, let's say for example, one person will buy this service from you, you will earn commission. If this person, the same person, will buy this service again, you will earn again commission. If he keeps buying this service again and again, you will keep getting commissions. That's the best part of this business. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to copy this seller profile link from here. Okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, and you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So what you will do next, you need to go to Google. If you don't have Pinterest account, go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Guys, the sign up process to Pinterest is super easy, and always if you don't have Pinterest account, you need to open business account. They will ask you if you want to open personal or business account. You need to choose business account. Okay, just click over here on this link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and you guys need to know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. We can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. If you do it correctly, you can get a lot of traffic from Pinterest. Millions of people every single day searching for specific services, products, topics using Pinterest. Anyway, so what you will do next, this will be your home page. Click over here, click on create pin, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page about Pinterest marketing service, and this seller has a video, so that's really good. Let's check his video. So what you will do is double click on the video, click over here on save video, and you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it pin ads, for example. Click on save, go back to Pinterest, click over here, and you need to upload this video from your laptop like this. Open, and here you go. You just need to put title and description. You will go back to this seller profile page and you will copy his title, and you will put this title over here on Pinterest like this. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part to show you guys how you can do it. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. It's too much long. Okay, so let me see. Okay, we'll delete this. So you need to make this description short description. You guys can optimize it, or you can use ChatGPT to create good description or your own description. Okay, I'm showing you just how we can do it. Description, scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. So let's go back to our Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you will not see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click over here on choose a board. If you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose one I already created here a lot. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords related to Pinterest marketing. So put those keywords: Pinterest marketing, like this. And Pinterest will give you tags that you can use. We have Pinterest marketing, we have Pinterest growth, we have Pinterest marketing, Pinterest, and a lot. I'm gonna Pinterest ads and so much more, like this. And you can add all those keywords related to Pinterest marketing, Pinterest growth, Pinterest ads, and so on. Okay, and after you finish, click over here on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's super easy. It's gonna take just few minutes. You guys can see your affiliate link will be published like this. Okay, this is your video explaining your service to people who are using Pinterest, because this service is very important if you are using Pinterest for a business or to promote your product or any services or any business. Okay, this service is very important and will help you to grow your business and grow your Pinterest account. Okay, this is your affiliate link, this is your title and your description, and that's it. You guys just need to stay consistent. It's working, it's already working, because people are buying those services. You guys can see it's 41 orders in queue. People keep coming back. Which people will buy this service if it's not working? Of course it's working. People who are using Pinterest, they are paying for this service. Okay, you just need to stay consistent. You need to learn double what's working, avoid what's not working, and work hard, do more research, see what's working on Pinterest, promote a lot of services, and services that will get a lot of clicks and a lot of views. Double those services, start promoting more those services. That's how we can get commissions, and that's how we can increase your commissions. So if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you guys are interested in this affiliate marketing business, I already have an affiliate marketing course. Is done step by step, teaching you how we can start from zero to hero. I'm sharing all my experience, all my methods, all everything you need to know to start this business. Okay, if you are interested, you can guys reach out to me in my email address in this description of this video, and they will get back to you. Please, only serious people who really want to take this business seriously and start making money with affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.